Odie's dark oil, same protection, a lot of the same properties as the regular Odie's oil, but in a darker format, so that if you want a little extra warmth to your piece and get a little extra patina out of a piece of white oak, the dark oil is fantastic. This one is for interior use only, unlike the regular Odie's oil, which can be used exterior and interior. Odie's dark oil, once again, for a nice patina. It's not a stain. It's a patining oil, a darker version of the regular oil. It gets its color from the natural tannins in the oils and waxes that it's made from, but has the same durability as the regular Odie's oil. Fantastic product. Smells very similar, but it's got a more of an earthier, muskier smell to it than the original oil. You'll love this on white oak. Works really nice on maple to darken your maple. It actually works really good on dark woods. Works great on mahogany to get the mahogany to get its natural rich color and patina over time. Speed up that process. I even like to put it on wenge. It helps the wenge get a really rich, almost black tone and even coloration. Great product for those that want just a little more color but are not looking for a stain. That's the Odie's dark oil.